Okay, let's see. I think I left off with the vent. I think the vent system. I think that's a 2-inch vent. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. This one. Oh, you know what? That's not going to annotate. I think I'm just going to have to look at the properties. 2-inch, yeah, it's a 2-inch vent. Let's do this. I think that I'm going to go here and look at the section. Let's look at this section. Okay, so our vent, let's go to the view and tile it up a little bit. And if we look here and look here, it should be the same. It should light up here, either way. So yeah, that's a 2-inch vent going up. Okay. I think that let's see where it's going on the first level, because this is the basement level, and let's look at the first level. First level. Okay, let's tile again and zoom into this vent and see where we are on the first floor. And and it looks like it's coming up through the floor. We don't want that, right? Okay, now how do we solve that? What I want to do is bring it, I think I want to bring it up into this wall. So let's do this. What I can do, we can move it over, right? I can do this, make this view active, and if we look, and we can go over, I'm using my arrow key, the right arrow key, all the way over, all the way over, all the way over, all the way over. That's taking so long. It's taking so long. Okay, so now I'm in this space behind the wall. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. Okay, yeah. First floor is coming up through the first floor in the wall, which is good. I think, let's see, I could label it 2-inch, 2-inch vent, 2-inch vent. Let's just label here, here. Say 2-inch vent from below, which is FB, from below. Okay, and we just kind of put it like that, from below. And in the basement we would say 2-inch vent. Where is the annotate text? So this would be 2-inch vent to above, right? Okay. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good. So I think that the rest of this, so at this point, what you can do, you could, there's a lot of things you could do. What I'm thinking is you could put this isometric on your sheet, right? But you can separate out the waste and the water, right? Let's do this. I'm gonna view tile. You could, you know, I mean, you could, so many things. You know, okay, so you can go to your filter, right, and turn off the cold water, hot water, and call this your waste vent, and put that on your sheet. And what you can do, you can duplicate it, right? Uh-oh, what happened? Oh, I didn't want to do that. Section. Where am I? Oh, here. I think I can duplicate this. Right? Duplicate. Rename. Yeah, there's you can do a lot of things with this. I mean, you'd have to go in and rename it, and then create another section with another view, section view, right? You can go here. What's this, waste? I'm just gonna say waste. And that's waste. And let's do this. Let's do this and call this one water. Section water. That's this. Look at my filter. Turn these guys on and these guys off. Okay. So there's your waste and there's your water. And what you can do is once you create, you can go in, right click, new sheet, you know, whatever that is in your office, you know, you do this and you can come in like this, bring this guy over, just drag it in here, right? Drag this guy, you can drag that, right? And that's your water. That's your waste, and you can, let me change the name of this. Waste. Okay. So, and then you can, from here, you can, it has to be, you have to lock it, right? Save orientation and lock view in order to put the text on here, right? You can annotate, tag, wait, tag by category, no leader, annotate, what happened, let's see, unlock view, what is going on? Tag by category. The orientation of the 3D view must be locked before you can add tags or keynotes. Tags. Tag by category. That's fine. Lock. Save orientation and lock view. Restore orientation. Well, I'll just save it. So what I'm not understanding here is why tag by category. So I think something is going on back here. Let me turn on the tags. None. Say okay. And we're going to get some of these levels. I think I'm going to turn this one off. Hide and view that category. I don't want that. So now we can go in. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Like a 3D, we can do that. Do this. That, you know, I mean, you can do a leader here, right? Come in, and go back to our name, and you can, you know, just go in and tag everything like that, okay? Do the same thing for the waist. Let's go back. And I think I'm gonna have to do the same thing, right? Go here, annotate, turn on everything. Say none. Okay. I guess I could, I'll keep that. Keep the base one. Then you can go in, do the same thing. Oh, I gotta block it up first, right? Save orientation and lock view. Go back. I don't want the leader here. So we do this one. I want the leader here though. 2-inch vent. Okay. And you can go through all of the however you want to tag these guys. You can go in individual 4-inch SS, right? And here I think is we can name this 4-inch clean out CO. Okay, so we can go through that exercise, go back to our, and then you can label it. You can put your actually we can go in, drag this. This might be, do I have enough room? Okay. And we can, we can go in, go back to waist, right? Go in, kind of bring this guy down a little bit, over a little bit, over a little bit, and go back. And so we can, just kind of adjust these guys, okay. So that's how you can, that's one way of setting up your sheets and setting up your isometric, setting up your plan view, do all of those things. So I just went through this little exercise, just how things can be documented, after you go in and pipe up all your bathroom fixtures, and of course, let's go back to section water, section waste, and properties. And when we tag this, is going to be 18, and if you want your fixture units all set, everything looks good, so you can go through that exercise. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop here and just, I don't know, I guess I was having fun. Let's do one more thing. Section water. You can always, you can go through your links, your architecture link, and go through your architecture link, turn on your ceiling, your pattern, make it visible, make it a solid color. Okay, what color do we want? I don't know, green looks good. That looks good, and we can go to our walls, visible, transparent. Okay, we can do that. Say okay, and look at these. Let's go up and look at the ceiling. That's the ceiling. I think I need to change the color because it's too much of a green color. Okay, so let's change the wall to something like a red. Okay, and while we're at it, we can do the floor. Let's do this to clear this guy. Okay, floor pattern is going to be solid green. Let's make it blue. I think that's okay. That's okay. And that's okay. And where is the floor? The floor, is the floor on? The floor may not be on. Always check and make sure that everything is good. F, floor, yeah, okay, I thought so. Because it wasn't showing up, dude. So you can go in and just kind of look at things. Oh, it's locked. Okay, that's okay. So that's the hot water, cold water. But you want to set everything up before you. This is just a graphic kind of representation. We see here there's a, looks like a shaft on the first level. That must be this guy, right? So anyway, where am I going? This one. So you can go in and manipulate, you know, your ceiling, your floor, your walls. You can go in and look at your walls, and let's say you want to make it 70% transparency, or you don't want any transparency, right? You go here, 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 and everything just kind of turns solid, right? Or you can leave it at 70, you know. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna stop here. Wasn't a whole lot of plumbing. I just want to look at some graphics and how to put stuff on the sheet and look at an isometric view for you guys. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later.